They keep on saying more.
More.
Do your fireworks from the outside.
Yeah, last time they did it over there too. But we're probably gonna do it at home.
What a scream. I saw a firebug. I almost said I saw a firebug. I mean, it's a lightning bug or a firefly. Are you recording?
Yes.
You don't record anything because it's just
I'm
taking
on the
up storage.
I just started right now. Like,
You started like 4 seconds after I did.
okay, my graphics are really bad right now.
Yeah, hers is like good.
I don't know what's wrong with my graphics. I don't know why they're so bad. See, I can't even see a single thing. Everything's like so black. I think I should do some of this thing. I wish I could just. I have nothing right now. I'm doing nothing. I'm just looking. Hello.
More.
More.
Put it like more up to the sky.
Yeah, because that's where.
I just got to keep putting it down just so then. Wait, no, whatever. I got to just put it up here. Fireworks come down to here. I don't know why I'm singing.
Look, I can take a picture of the
Yeah, I like actually mostly. I actually like singing. I want to sing. I don't know what the heck I'm singing. Wait. Or should I just turn around and just flip it, but instead no. Like, now it's time to dance. Jesus, why can't we? I wish I could just see what they're
You gotta pull
doing.
up a chair.
Yeah.
Wait.
Time to do. Oh. Please say don't say this.
Probably like the one. Okay, one more.
Think they're doing more. Yeah, maybe
More.
More, please.
It's all shout at the same time.
It's time to watch a video, and that's 3 minutes long. Hands, look, fireworks! You missed them all. Whee! You can watch them. Here, we're making videos.
Wait, should we just move that?
Yeah, I'm gonna look. Let me
Chill.
Watch it. I'm putting my earphones up.
I'm gonna block the video for a little. Oh, they're coming from there and there. Can't you see there's people right there? They might start lining another. They might start.
Look at those colors.
No, they're not ready. They're not done yet. They have to just do it right now. Whoa.
So dark.
Look at this picture. I can't even see your face. the dark devalued your face. That's just sad. Wow, tablet. You suck, tablet. You're so bad at graphics. And I made this 4 minutes already. What? They want.
This is because I started now.
Right
What's
there.
the fireworks?
Yeah, they haven't like one. They're just changing it and then put a new one. And
I want fire.
and
Fire. Fire. Flame. Flame fireworks.
The chair.
whee! Hey, mommy, mommy,
Yeah, because I put the
mom,
trying to think.
can I take this thing off? Thank you, because I don't need it. 'Cause I don't want it. I really need to get this thing.
Brian, what is fireworks in
take this thing off. Okay, let's just go back outside. What the? I think I just saw a firefly.
A whale. The whale. The whale. Oh, boy. We're blown away. I want to see the awesome colors.
Look. Ooh, some blue and red. Ooh.
I see a kid.
Light, 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 light.
Awesome. What's lighting?
Six minutes.
Hey, Bat, I see Jessica's room.
6 minutes later. Da-da-da-da.
Whoa, Brian, you
Getting a chair? Look what the chair we wearing. Oh, you're getting a spinner?
Oh,
Guys, look what I'm doing. I'm just I have a blue. Have you noticed there's a blue and red light here? And every time I'm spinning around a circle, my tablet, and it makes it move. It's so cool. It just makes it so nice.
Look how cool
Whoop, whoop, whoop. No, no, no. No, 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 no.
bicycle.
Do you want your phone or not?
What?
I'll check it.
I need to sit on something. 7 minutes? I just did this for 7 minutes. Wow.
What are you doing?
I need lighting.
I get flashlight.
I'm gonna upload this on YouTube.
I get flashlight.
Do you want me to upload this on YouTube?
Come on.
No, you can actually. Have you ever uploaded a video? Like ever?
My sister has it, but not me.
But have you ever tried?
Where's your sister's home?
That's just
Your
sad.
baby? You have a baby in your room? Awesome! What's the color still?
Pretty cute though.
Do you think they're done?
The fireworks will come in 3 seconds.
What if he was right?
Awesome! No sound.
He doesn't hear. He doesn't even see them.
Yeah.
What's the color? I put
Man.
color.
Should I make this for 10 minutes? Or what?
No, make it 3 seconds.
No one likes long videos on YouTube. You have to speed it up. Do you have like a YouTube capture thing?
Awesome! Yay! Yay! Squeaky squeak. So funny. Yay! Star! A shooting star! I wish I was 10 years old like that. Yay! 4 stars. Oh, wait! Oh,
There's an explosion. This is boring.
Make him miss it!
Oh, I see fireflies. I just saw a firefly down there.
I don't want
Fireflies are coming to the night.
Wait, guys.
To the night, we need to
Stop it.
sing.
What?
The dancing, wow, 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 wow.
You don't know what fireflies are?
No, I don't know fireflies.
He doesn't remember fireflies.
Oh yeah, those thingies, like fly up the air. Oh yeah, fireflies. Like no, like
No, no, no. No, 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 no,
yeah,
no,
those
no,
are
no, no.
fireflies.
Whoop, whoop, whoop. Whoop, whoop, whoop.
Wait, I can do something.
And 9 minutes later.
No, why? Stop.
I need to show you how to edit
No, the fireworks are dead. What are you doing? Yay! What's
What?
so lazy? What's that guy sound? I think it's a fire.
10,
Oh, where are they coming?
9,
I saw it.
8,
Like-
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.